Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Aloha Friday, and I'm back up in this thing. It's been a pretty good week, not too bad. About to get ready to have this 3-day weekend with Columbus Day coming up. Can't wait. Got the game on tonight. Hopefully the Lake Show closes out in they Mamba jerseys. We got a dope battle on deck for you guys tomorrow on Who Has the Heat with PMKICKZ versus Cocaine Soul Love. So make sure y'all check us out on the Who Has the Heat channel at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, along with my sis 313, with MCFLYKOF and PMKICKZ. All of us will be in the building, along with the dopest and flyest chat on a sneaker battle. Now, without that further ado, let's jump into this review. I don't do too many but these are dope. I'm always trying to support the place. Go over here, they got too much stock, so we're not gonna get anything until they get that inventory down. So I'm trying to do my thing and grab some of these steals and deals out there. So as you can see, this is a black Jordan box. I'm so sick of this box, I tell you, with the gold jump, man. As you can see, this is a size 10.5. Yes, it's a PP personal pair. You see, you got the RF code. Suggested retail price $125. And what? A Jordan 1 Mid SE. Yes, I know. It's another one, even though it's not a full size one. It's a half a one, a 3/4 one, but it's a one, right? So let's go in here. You got your stamper ramp up there. You got your 23 paper. And look at these joints here. The Air Jordan 1 Mid Oakland Oaktown joints up in this thing. Oregon Ducks, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, they call these Oakland. And bam. This is an interesting shoe. Good to catch your attention because it got a lot of different materials on this shoe. It's very, very dope in my opinion. Look, take a spin, take a spin, take a spin. I think with the military discount about $110. So can't go wrong with that. Underneath you got that nice green. I don't know if that's Lucky Charm green, but it's a nice green though. And you got your pop-out stars, you got your Nike with your trademark R. So that is very, very dope. Then you kind of got like some nylon type materials, as you can see, kind of like neoprene right here around the toe box. Then on the actual toe, you got this leather here. It's pretty good, not the greatest, but it's all right. Then you got black laces coming around on the tongue, which is interesting. You got these you want to call it yellow hits, citrus hits, or whatever you want to call it. And you got your cheesy Air with the Jumpman on there. I wish they would change it, but I guess they gotta have something to differentiate this, the mid, from the actual one. And then you got this right here where you see the swoosh, more that nylon, right? You can check out the stitching, which is just above the tongue. Then you're around the sock collar, you got this suede, and it's not that back booty stroke suede. It's more like that low cut grass suede, kind of rough, scruffy. Then you got your embossed Air Jordan. On the back, you got some more of this yellow. Like I said, you got this rough and tough suede on these joints, but it does pop for the color. As you can see in the back, you got black around the sock liner, so you got to worry about it showing up for you when you wear your black socks, so you all good on that. Coming around on the media side, pretty much the same thing. Nylon, black swoosh, green hits and all that. Like I said, these are called the Oakland Jordan 1 Mids, or you can call them the Oregon Ducks, but I don't think you're gonna do. I think this more suits the Oakland Athletics on the shoe. Then going inside, you see you got your production date 3/4/20 to 5/15/20. So you know these joints were made this year. And of course, you have your shoe tree. This might could use a lace swap. What do y'all think? Y'all think a lace swap break some of this black up? I don't know, maybe some with some speckles, black and green, or just go all green. As you can see, 10 to 10.5. So you should have this on your shoe tree like so. And then inside you can see you got that little yellow or laser orange or whatever you want to call it Jumpman on the shoe. I think this shoe maybe came out about a month ago, but I think it's pretty dope. I think they had a restock on them yesterday, because Jordan brand, they come up with all these ones drop, fours drop. I don't know, that's just letting you know they have a lot of things they be holding back, and they be keeping stuff in the vault for a later date, which is kind of crazy. So I want to know how many of you guys are going after the Paris 4s or those 3s or the Union 4s, because I'm going to be trying for all of that stuff. Got a lot of stuff coming in, so stay tuned for the videos. Been busy, but as always, we're just going to try to keep on pushing. Hopefully everybody being safe out there, everybody doing well. Have a great weekend. Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Peace.